Alright, so today we're going to be installing this package of honeybees into this hive. It's super easy, it's a lot of fun too. Get bees flying everywhere and it's a beautiful spring day. So what could be better than getting a brand new package of bees, right? New hope. So the idea is what we're going to do is we're going to take this feeder that's out and just pry it loose with the tool, and I'll set that off to the side. I'm going to get the queen cage out. I'm going to set that off to the side for now, and then I'm going to install the queen after the bees have been dumped in. So I have a few frames that are missing out of here inside this hive, and I'm going to essentially dump the bees right into that hole. Then I'm going to put the queen cage inside one of the frames. It's going to affix to the comb, the drawn comb that I already have in there. It's just going to stick right in. It's a nice warm day, so it should stick in there nicely. And then that's it. Close it up and she's done. So if you don't have drawn comb, the other option is to use a rubber band to attach it to a frame, a foundation or a plastic frame. So there's lots of videos out there on that as well, or information on the internet. So let's get to it. We want to check the queen to make sure she's alive and walking around and everything seems okay with her. So that's the first step. And you see I've closed up the hole here. That's to make sure that no more bees escape than necessary at this time until I've ensured that the queen is good to go and we're ready to install those bees in the hole. Queen looks healthy and happy and running around, so I think we're good to go. I'll show you the queen cage. This is the queen cage installed in here. You can see it's pushed inside with the screen facing out, so there's some airflow and they can breathe, of course. And then the candy end is up. I've taken the cork out and the candy end is up. That way if it's down, there could be dead bees that go down and block the hole so the queen can't get out before the candy is eaten. So once that candy is eaten, she'll pop right out and head into the hive. Now we can simply go ahead and put our missing frames back in here and plug it up. Just go nice and gentle, make sure you're not pushing it down, squishing the bees unnecessarily. So next step is to add the feeder on top, and I have a inner cover in here that has a hole in it, and I'll just be putting my mason jar feeder right in that hole, and then putting an extra spare box on top, so that it just kind of protects the mason jar, and you know, we have less robbing issues and protects it from the wind and all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. That, my friends, is all there is to it. The finished product. Lots of bees buzzing around, they're getting oriented. Nothing to be concerned about there. We've left the package box out here just in front of the hive. Leave that there overnight, and the bees will slowly make their way back to the hive. And I'll be surprised if there's any bees left there in a couple hours. So that's it. Happy beekeeping.